All right, so kind of seeing a bounce this morning on the idea it's going to be a more targeted approach to tariffs. But when we're looking at the markets and investing, has anything fundamentally changed?
For me, nothing fundamentally has changed here. There's never been a better time to be diversified, right? So for all of those who have been patient by putting developed international in their portfolio, you're getting some relief there. If you have some bond exposure, you've been getting relief there from a choppy U.S. market and certainly some lag 7 stocks.
All right, so nothing's dramatically changed for you. I want to ask you, do you think right now, this period we're in, actually this week, in fact, do you think this is kind of a tradable low or a tradable bounce? Dan Niles over the weekend, one of the most recent people kind of saying that, oh, right now is going to be pretty good. We're going to show a tweet for him. He says in part, well, I believe the last week in March should be positive for the S&P given greater than normal pension fund rebalancing. I believe Q1 earnings season will be rough as estimates get lowered. I mean, I'm looking at the calendar. Q1 earnings season is about a week and a half, 2 weeks away. So is this a sweet spot right now if you're a trader? I know you're often talking about being a long-term investor.
Yeah, you have discounts in very popular stocks, specifically those Mag 7 stocks look attractive because they're well off their highs. But there's never been a better time to continue any kind of dollar cost averaging arrangement, right? We get to get into the market on an equal basis, scoop up dips as they come. So you don't have to guess this. You don't necessarily have to trade this, but you do want to get new money in the market if you can afford to do so.
All right, so you mentioned the Mag 7. I'm looking at the Mag 7. If you look at the ETF at least, it's down about 13% year to date. However, we're kind of seeing a bounce on a number of the names. I'm looking at Amazon up about 1.5% in the pre-market, so that number might change a bit. But right now, are you saying that this is a buyable dip on the Mag 7? Nothing's fundamentally changed. It's still, in your mind, the stocks are going to power the market higher, and this is just a discounted entry point.
Yeah, so again, if you...
I don't want to put too many words in your mouth.
No, it's fine. I think 20 years from now, maybe even 15 years from now, you'll be begging for today's prices, especially with some of these stocks that pave the way for future technology and innovation. If you got time on your side and you believe in the future of technology, take a look at where these prices are relative to just, months ago.